Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Genius Link and confirming billing and account default so tracking runs cleanly. Next, add and verify your tracking domain. This ensures links look branded and reduces redirection flags. Once domain verification finishes, create a link group to organize tracking and enable regional rules right away. This is where you define country redirects. You do these steps now to avoid rework later and to guarantee consistent attribution across stores and countries. Now create the smart link and paste each store destination, Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, so Genius Link can route users correctly. After that, set device and country routing rules. Prioritize native apps on mobile and desktop storefronts for browsers. Make sure to add affiliate tokens or partner parameters in each destination so you capture commissions. Once done, apply UTM templates and custom tracking tags to every link. That way your analytics will show exactly which campaign or influencer drove conversions. You finish by testing the smart link on multiple devices and countries with the preview tools to confirm correct routing and tokens. If behavior matches expectations, publish the link across your channels and monitor analytics for clicks, conversions, and geographic distribution. Make incremental changes to rules if you spot anomalies and compare UTM tag traffic in your dashboard. If something goes wrong, check DNS and domain verification. Then audit redirect rules and affiliate token formatting. Those are the most common causes of failed attribution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.